A company's greatest asset is its employees. An employee's greatest asset is their knowledge. Knowledge easily delivered by Microsoft Dynamics 365 Guides, a mixed reality solution that brings relevant information to the frontline. In private preview with this technology, Volvo Penta is exploring the potential in enhanced knowledge through Copilot, adding a new dimension to on-the-job assistance.
Copilot, when was the oil last changed?
The last oil change was made on February 12th.
Uptime and reliability are two of the key drivers for marine commercial customer.
Copilot, what is the function of the wastegate valve?
The wastegate valve regulates exhaust gas flow to control the speed of the turbochargers.
Copilot, show me the air and exhaust flow through the turbochargers.
Exhaust gases leave the cylinder and pass through the exhaust manifold and onto the turbine side of the turbo.
With operation far offshore, AR and AI combined could enable the crew to perform various engine maintenance. Knowledge that is personalized to the task at hand, illuminating any knowledge gaps and smoothing out processes. At Volvo Penta, we want to continuously be learning, and we are always looking for the latest technologies to bring new skills to our employees, dealers and our customers. This is opening the door for a new range of digital services for Volvo Penta to explore.
Copilot, can you show me the procedure to replace the pre-fill filter?
Step 1. Remove the water separator sensor connector.
Next.
Step 2. Undo the drain valve in the base of the water separator.
Copilot, can you show me an exploded...
Knowledge is gained by consistent learning. Volvo Penta embraces technologies that enable employees to confidently work smarter, more efficiently, and safer. Innovating together, learning at the pace of change.